Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. If you're coming just for this specific unboxing, then thank you for checking out the video and hanging with me for just a few minutes. I do have today both the premium and deluxe boxes. I filmed my Supreme yesterday. It is already uploaded, so it's the video before this. There is a giveaway. Be sure you check it out. I'm still really sick, but I decided today, I'm like, you know what? I'm getting up. I'm not sick anymore. I slept for 12 hours. I'm gonna do this. It didn't really work. I look a little bit better with all this concealer on, but I don't really feel much better. So sorry about my voice. I sound really strained and I'm really sick right now. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. My boyfriend offered to go ahead and like cut the boxes open. That way I could just open them. Very helpful. But then he was like, do you care if I look? I'm like, no, just don't show me anything. And he said, well, this one you're probably gonna throw across the room. The other one you're probably gonna be like, what the fuck? So I don't know what that means. Now I'm like apprehensive opening them, but we're gonna see what we got. I'm pretty sure that there will be a giveaway within this video as well. Again, I don't know what I'm getting, but the odds of not getting any duplicates of things I already have are very low. So probably a giveaway. I don't know how many winners, but stay until the end to find out about how to enter it and win some of these goodies. So let's go ahead and get into the premium one. This is a small box for $60. Oh. It's so funny. I don't wear hats like this. Otherwise, I would think this is really cute. But the first item is a hat. It's got little conversation hearts on it. I don't think I look good in hats, especially hats like this. Like, it's just not really my style. So yeah, I probably won't be keeping this for myself. We also got a pop socket. It is a pink one. And I actually think like I might actually give this to my boyfriend as an extra Valentine's Day thing, because he's not one of those guys that cares about like if it's pink. He'll just be like, yeah, it's cool, whatever. He has one of the JEFFREE pop sockets on his phone right now from one of my other mystery unboxings, so that's really cool. So I got the gloss in the shade Succulent, and I believe that this is the exclusive cosmetic item. Ooh, this looks really pretty. I'm excited for this one. I'm gonna pop a little bit on. Oh wow, it looks so pink in the tube, but it's got a very blue shift to it. Wow, that really shows up over top of my liquid lips. By the way, I am wearing the blood sugar palette and I'm wearing doll parts on my lips. I expected it to look pinker, but you can probably tell as it like in the light, you can see it's so blue. It's got a really pretty reflect, but when you first glance at it, if you don't look at it in the right light, it looks super pink, but then you like shift it and you're like, oh, that's blue. But that's really pretty. I'll definitely hold on to that. All right, we're down to one thing, and I think I know what this is based off of the paper. All right, so I believe this is an alien palette. I think it is. It is. Oh my god, we got the alien palette. Now, I actually already have this in my collection, and it is actually one of my favorites from Jeffree Star. It's one that I really, really love. So this will go in a giveaway. Wow, what an amazing item to put into a giveaway. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. Yes, I already have this item, but it gives me an opportunity to give you guys something really cool. So for $60, I'm not extremely impressed with this. Like, we got a palette, a gloss, a pop socket, and a hat. I feel like that's kind of what I would expect to pay for all of that. Now, granted, I know it would be more expensive, but I don't know how I feel about it. Now, this palette is going away. It is being discontinued. So to get this is really cool because it could be, you know, your last chance to get it soon. So I'm excited to put this into a giveaway. That is 2 items, but I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this because, again, we've got the rest of the box to get to, but definitely putting those 2 in a giveaway. All right, let's get into it. This is the deluxe box for $100. This one did ask for a size, so I'm assuming a clothing product in here. I got a large because I figure, like, I assume it's a t-shirt, and that way it would be a good fit for me, maybe a little bit loose. I'm dropping everything. Oh, a hat. Okay, so right on top we got a hat. Maybe I'll put this one on really quick. I don't want to get makeup on it though, just in case, but I'm not a hat person. What do you guys think? Is this cute for me or not? Like, obviously I need to shape that bill a little bit, but do you think this is cute on me? Yay or nay? I might keep that one just because, I don't know, I don't have hats, so if anything, like, maybe I would try to wear it. All right, the next thing we have is a shirt, or at least I think it's a shirt. Okay, this is the one I was kind of expecting. So it's got a heart on the front And then it's got the conversation hearts on the back. So I did see this. I think you can buy a shirt or a hoodie. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I know that this design is available. And I will definitely wear this. Like, comfy, cute t-shirts are always a staple for me. We got another gloss, and this is in Candy Drip. I don't have that one for sure. All right, ooh, this one looks right up my alley. It's more pinky, and it looks like maybe there's a little soft pink and golden little glitter in there. I kind of dabbed off a little bit of that other gloss. Ooh, I really like this one. This might be my favorite gloss that I have. We got something small. Now I'm thinking this is either a mini Jawbreaker or a mini Controversy palette. We got a mini Jawbreaker palette. Another giveaway item because I do have this. I've actually given this away and I own it myself. Oh, excuse me, mini breaker. I forgot what it was called for a second, but that's what it looks like. Definitely a nice giveaway item. We got a lip ammunition. Oh, this must be the exclusive item. It's got a little mystery question mark on it. For a second, I couldn't remember what a question mark was. That's really sad. Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is just like literally no color name. It's just a heart with a question mark on it. But this color looks so beautiful. I like this one. So pretty. Oh, we got some straws. These are the, this is a straw set and they're like green colors. Custom green stainless steel straws, and it comes with a little cleaner. I like that. Oh, these are cool colors. So there are these straws. One of them is straight. The others have a curve to them. That's cool. In the past, I've gotten like one straw, but that's cool because you get palette, lipstick, face palette. I don't know. Oh, the 24 karat Skin Frost Pro palette. Ooh, I won't spoil the other one, but if you haven't seen my Supreme unboxing, my previous video, it's good too. The only thing about these is like most of these are too dark for me to use as a highlight. You know, I can use them on the eyes or what have you. Really great if you're like a freelance artist because you have something for all skin tones. I'm just gonna try it. Ooh. That's the only downside. Like a lot of these I just have to use as like eyeshadow. So pretty. That's a few of the shades right there. Really nice item to get though. Oh wow, we got another mirror. Let's see, I do have some mirrors, so I'm curious which one this one will be. Oh, we got the white and gold mirror. I don't believe I've even seen this one. So it looks like this. I don't know if I want to keep this one. I just got another one that's so pretty. And the only thing about white, this may sound really weird, is like when you're filming, white can really throw off the color. I don't know, but it's so pretty. You know what this reminds me of? The white Power Ranger. Does anybody else have that feeling? I'm kind of tempted not to keep this just because I just got another mirror. Now I have the pig one, I have a popsicle, and I have the Jeffree Star approved one. So I think I actually want to put this in a giveaway. All right, so that was everything for this box. I am very, very excited for my lips. The t-shirt's really cool. I'm kind of on the fence about the hat. I don't usually wear hats, but maybe I should try. I'm definitely not going to keep this one because I know myself I won't use it. So I'm kind of torn about how to do this because I have some really great items to do for a giveaway. So I think what I'm gonna do is do one giveaway in this video, and then I'm gonna go do another giveaway on my Instagram. I'm gonna give away the Alien palette and the little Conversation Hearts hat in this video right here. So it'll be the same instructions as it was on the previous video, except make sure to check the description box because I will have ways to get a few extra entries if you want. What you have to do to be entered is make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Again, I will say it, make sure that you are, even if you think that you already have, because sometimes YouTube likes to unsubscribe people. Also, be sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment on this video and let me know what your favorite palette of all time is. Doesn't even matter. It doesn't have to be Jeffree Star. It doesn't have to be high-end. Drugstore drugstore, whatever, just what your favorite palette is that you've ever owned. And also follow me on Instagram. It is the same name I have here. It's at Amy_Erica, spelled the same way. And also leave your Instagram handle in your comment below. That way I can verify that you are following me on Instagram. I will also have 3 videos listed below that if you watch, like, and comment on, it will get you an extra entry for each video. That's pretty simple, but I think this is a really great prize and well worth it. I'm also looking for comments that show that you've actually watched the video, not like, hi, I came from your giveaway, but like something that you actually watched the video, because I really appreciate the time that you guys give me. So I'll also be posting a giveaway with these 2 items on my Instagram. It may be a day or so away, so make sure you're following so that you see that post, and also you can just go check on my page. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for putting up with my horrible voice right now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.